Happening now, the popular foodie fundraiser, also known as Restaurant Week, is in full swing across North Texas. It's a chance to try out new restaurants or support old favorites while raising funds for local charities. Now through September 7th, more than 100 restaurants across the area are offering a fixed price Restaurant Week menu with 3 courses. Roughly 20% then is donated to the North Texas Food Bank and the Lena Pope Home. Restaurant Week is, of course, a great reason to eat out, and industry experts also remind us that community support remains critical year-round. And if you haven't noticed, news of restaurant closures are becoming a little common. From higher costs to food safety concerns, Robbie Owens looks at some of the pressures facing the industry.
So how long has it been since you visited your favorite restaurant? Industry advocates would still no doubt argue that's been too long.
And I can tell you, we talk to restaurant operators every day. It is so hard right now. And really the risk is they won't be here when you decide to dine out again.
Emily Williams-Knight is the president of the Texas Restaurant Association. She says the economic landscape is complicated. Consider the rising costs.
Labor cost is up double digit, food cost is up, credit card swipe fees are up, insurance is up. Anything you input, we can't even talk about beef because it's up so much. All those input costs, you may see a big dining room that's packed, but it may not be profitable because they have so many costs they're trying to cover.
And then there's the increased competition.
In the Dallas-Fort Worth area alone, we actually opened more new restaurants than any part of the country in June. And you have folks now coming from LA, Miami, Chicago, New York. Their next stop is Dallas for the first time really in recent history.
Still, with every new opening, there seems to be news of a closure.
And God has blessed me with something unique here, and I would like to walk when I'm still on top.
The reasons range from a well-earned retirement.
Thank God you made it before we closed.
To the rent more than doubling.
It's just sad.
Regardless of the reason, according to analysis from restaurantdata.com, Texas led the nation in closures for the first 6 months of the year. If we don't support those local favorites right now, is there a good chance that they may not be here a year from now, 2 years from now?
Yeah, absolutely. There's no doubt the independent restaurant doesn't have the big ecosystem, the economies of scale, the supply chain that so many of our large chain operators do. And so you've got to get it in there and support them.
The industry group is also pushing lawmakers to acknowledge the economic connection between the immigrant workforce and the rising cost of food.
And so we're really saying to lawmakers, do the right thing, provide work permits for this population that is keeping food on the table and can help to bring the price of food down.
In Dallas, Robbie Owens, CBS News, Texas.